Unlocking hope. Understanding faith in the future. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make English learning easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a beautiful and optimistic phrase, faith in the future. This expression is not just about the words but about the feeling and belief it conveys. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English conversations. Faith in the future is a phrase that speaks volumes about hope and confidence. When someone says they have faith in the future, they mean they believe that the future will bring positive outcomes, regardless of the current challenges or difficulties. This faith is not based on evidence but on a strong belief in the potential for things to improve. Having faith in the future is crucial for several reasons. It motivates us to keep moving forward, even when the going gets tough. It's the light at the end of the tunnel that keeps us focused on our goals and dreams. This faith can be a source of strength and resilience, helping us to overcome obstacles and bounce back from setbacks. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from personal to professional settings. Here are a few examples. Expressing optimism. Despite the challenges we're facing, I have faith in the future. Encouraging someone. I know it's hard right now, but keep your faith in the future. Things will get better. Reflecting on changes. The world is constantly changing, but my faith in the future remains strong. Different cultures have their own ways of expressing hope and optimism for the future. Exploring these can enrich our understanding and appreciation of this concept. For instance, in some cultures, faith in the future is closely tied to traditions and community, while in others, it's more about individual aspirations and goals. Understanding these perspectives can add depth to your conversations and writings about hope and the future. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the meaning and significance of having faith in the future. It's a powerful reminder that, despite uncertainties or challenges, there is always a reason to believe in a brighter tomorrow. We hope this video has inspired you and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the ideas and emotions they convey. Keep learning, keep exploring, and keep your faith in the future. See you in our next video.